Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel MS Maths. In this video, I will explain you the important questions of the matrix and the solution of system of linear equation. So the complete solution will be provided. So you please watch this video till end so that the whole concept will be clear to you, and I will give you the different questions with different cases with complete solution. So let's start this video. So basically here we will simply see the each and every question is related to this topic, and I will explain you the different questions, and this video will be in Hindi and English, जिससे कि दोनों को अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा, जो कि हिंदी में समझते हैं उनको भी अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा, एंड देन हु इज़ अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन इंग्लिश ओनली फॉर दोज पीपल इज़ ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो जब भी आपके पास में इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है तो देन यू आर आस्किंग अबाउट दैट लाइक इट इज़ व्हाट द फाइंड आउट द कंडीशन फॉर द यूनिक सोल्यूशन, नो सोल्यूशन एट ऑल. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जब भी आपके पास में इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है, तो जस्ट राइट डाउन दैट क्वेश्चन इन टर्म्स ऑफ सिंपली वी कैन से दैट matrix form. So it is your ax equals to b. So it is what given 2 cross 2 system, and determine the value of p and q such that system has unique solution. So whenever you have homogeneous case ax is equals to b, let's say non-homogeneous case b is not equals to 0, you have 3 cases. Okay, first case is that your rank of a is equals to rank of ab is equals to 3, then or not 3, or simply is equals to number of variable, then we will say it is your unique solution. Okay, what is your second case? Whenever your rank of a is equals to rank of ab but less than of n, then you will say simply it is your infinitely many solution. Okay, and your last case is that whatever your rank of a which is not equals to rank of ab, then you will simply say this is the case of your not equals, this is the case of your no solution. Okay, so this is the important case, and we will see all these cases in this particular video. Okay, so first of all, what is this given? 1 1 2 b, which is given you have x1 and x2. Okay, here n is nothing but number of variables. Okay, and this is your 5 and q. So find out the condition on unique solution. It means you have to find out the condition for p and q for this particular cases, in which my rank of a should be equals to the rank of ab is equals to n. It means n is equals to 3, n is equals to 2 here. First you will find out the augmented matrix and convert this augmented matrix in row echelon form. Okay, this is your augmented matrix. When you will convert this augmented matrix, so this is what your simply I will apply R2 interchange with R2 minus 2R1. That is what your 1 1 5, and this is your 0 p minus 2. Okay, so simply p minus 2, and this will be q minus 10. Now rank of a is equals to rank of ab. So keep in your mind, rank of a should be 2. It means this entry must not be equals to 0. So your p minus 2 should not equals to 0. It means your p should not equals to 2. This is the condition on p. What about q? Let's say this entry is 0. Then what is the rank of augmented matrix? Okay, is equals to rank of augmented matrix. If this entry is equals to 0, then rank of augmented matrix is 2. If it is non-zero, then also it is true. So there is no condition on it is equals to 2 or it is not, sorry, it is equals to 10 or not equals to 10. So it means there is no condition. So you have to write down there is no condition for q. So q can be anything from your real number, no condition. So simply you will just write there is no condition. Okay, for unique solution. Now they may ask about for let's say in this same question they may ask about your infinitely many solution. Let's say this question is asked in such a way that infinitely many solution, find out the values of lambda and mu. So you have to just simply write down this, find out a x is equals to b, that is what your 2 1 4 lambda. Okay, and this is your x1 x2 equals to 3, and this is your mu. Okay, now you just convert or you just write down your augmented matrix, that is nothing but 2 1 3 4 lambda mu. Okay, and from here you will just simply find R2 interchange with R2 minus 2r1. Then what will be the cases here? This is your 2 1 3, this is your 0 lambda minus 2, this is your mu minus 6. Okay, so in this case again, what is the case of infinitely many solution? So in infinitely many solution, your rank of AB should equal but should be less than of n. It means the rank of A equals to rank of AB but less than of 2. It means it must be 1. So from here, rank of A is equals to 1. It means simply lambda minus 2 is equals to 0 and lambda is equals to 2. And the rank of AB is equals to 1. For both the cases, this must be, for both the cases, lambda is equals to 2 and mu minus 6 is also 0. So mu is equals to 6. This is the value of lambda and mu for infinitely many solution. Okay, and in the similar way, it may ask to you for the no solution. Let's say in this particular question, these are the condition for, let's say, infinitely many solution. But in special case, for no solution, for no solution case, what will be the value of lambda? For no solution, lambda should be equals to 2 and mu should not equals to 6. It means this entry must be 0, this entry must not be 0 for no solution case, but this is for infinitely. Okay, so I discussed all the three cases regarding these questions. These type of question will be asked in your exam. Now come to next question. Solve this question by Gauss elimination method. So how to apply the Gauss elimination method? That is what simple. You just write down Ax is equals to B. So write down 1 1 minus 1. Okay, then 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2, and this is your x and this is your A x y z, and write down the B vector, that is minus 2 5 and 1. And from here you just write down this convert. Okay, first of all, you just write down the augmented matrix, that is your 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 2, and here it will be minus 2 5 and 1. Now you just convert this augmented matrix in your row echelon form. When you will convert the row echelon form, I am just writing the operations which you will apply, that I will write here. First you will apply, in first step you will apply R2 interchange R2 minus 2R1 and R3 interchange R3 plus R1. And in second step, if you will apply R3 interchange R3 plus R2, then you will get simple 1 1 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 3 3 0 4. Okay, and it will be 9 and minus 1. So this is your which can say the echelon form. Now what to do? So simply you just take the back substitution. So from here I will just write down this as 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 3 3 0 0 4. This is your x y z is equals to minus 2 9 and minus 1. And using back substitution, so this is nothing but 4z is equals to minus 1. So your z will be it is 8 8 2 minus 9 and 8. Here it is plus 8 plus 8, then your z is 2. So your z is equals to 2. Then next is minus 3y plus 3z is equals to 9. Okay, then it is minus 3y. You have the value of z, that is 2 is equals to 9. From here y is equals to of 1. Now you just calculate the value of your x, that will be your x plus y minus z is equals to minus 2. So x minus 1 minus of 2 is equals to minus 2. This will cancel, then x is equals to. So from this you can easily calculate the values of x, y and z. This method is known as method of back substitution, in which you are calculating row echelon form. Okay, not row reduced echelon form. Simply find out the row echelon form. This is the solution. Okay, this is how you have to apply this method. Next, come to the parametric form. This is one of the important, how to find out the parametric form. Whenever you have given this type of question, you just simply write down Ax equals to Okay, so no need to find out the solution, you have to find out the parametric form. Okay, so here it means whenever the case of parametric form arises, there will be infinitely many solutions. So simply just write down Ax equals to b, that is your 3 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 4 6 1 minus 8. Okay, and it is your x1 x2 x3. Here it is your 7 minus 4. Then simply write down the augmented matrix, that is nothing but your 3 5 minus 4 7 minus 3 minus 2 4 minus 1 6 1 minus 8. This is your augmented. Now in your augmented matrix, you just find out the row. If you just find out the row echelon form. So I will simply apply R2 interchange with R2 plus R1. So it will be 3 0 5 minus of 3. Okay, because plus, okay, plus of 3, and it will be minus 4, it will be 0. Okay, then here it will be 7. If I will add, then it will be 6. Then it will be, now next I will use R3 interchange R3 minus 2R1, then it will be 0. 1 minus 10, it will be minus of 9. Okay, and next is what your minus of 8 minus of minus plus 8, this will be 0. Okay, then next will be your minus 4, is your minus 4 minus 7 and 2, it will be minus 4 minus 14, it means minus of, let's say, simply 18. Okay, this will be your minus of 18. So minus of your minus 18. So next I will just simply multiply this with 3, then R3 interchange with R3 minus 3 or plus R3 3R2, because I will just multiply this with 3 and multiply and then adding with this row. So you will get 3 5 minus 4 7 0 3 0 6, and this will be 0 0 0 0. Okay, so in this case, this is my pivot entry, this is my pivot entry, this column is free variable, so this has no variable, this has no pivot entry, this is my free variable. Which one is? X3 will be free variable. So you just consider x3 is equals to t belonging from real number. This is my free variable. Okay, अब मैंने यहाँ पे इसको कंसिडर किया. What is the value of x2? x2 आप डायरेक्टली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं यहाँ से. सो योर x2 विल बी, जो आप फाइंड आउट करोगे यहाँ से, x2 क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास में? x2 इज इक्वल्स टू 3, x2 इज इक्वल्स टू 6, देन x2 इज इक्वल्स टू 2. x2 का वैल्यू आपके पास में 2 आ गया, मतलब x2 इस पर डिपेंड नहीं कर रहा है. x1 क्या हो जाएगा? x1 हो जाएगा 3x1 plus 5x2 minus 4x3 is equals to 0. First let me check if this will be 0 or not. Add here, this will be 0. Okay, then no problem. अब हमारे पास में x2 का वैल्यू है, x4 का वैल्यू है, तो ये क्या आ रहा है आपके पास में? 3x1 प्लस 5x2 माइनस 3 और माइनस 4x3 is equals to 0. So your 3x1 plus 5 into 2, it is not 0, 0 is equals to 7. It is equals to 7. Is equals to 7. Minus 4 into t is equals to 7. Then 3x1 plus 10 minus 4t is equals to 7. Then 3x1 is equals to we can say 7 minus 10, that is minus 3 plus 4t. Then x1 is equals to minus 1 plus 4 by 3 into. अब आपको पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म लिखना है. दिस इज योर x1, your x2 is equals to 2, your x3 is equals to t. Parametric form can be written in terms of simply, let's say, what will be your solution? Your solution is nothing but, I will just write down a parametric form, that will be your x1 x2 x3. So what is your x1? x1 is minus 1 plus 4 by 3 into t. What is your x2? That is 2. What is your x3? That is t. You just write down constant 1, 2 and 0. There is no constant. plus you just take the t common, that will be 4 by 3. There is no value of t, or I can simply write 0t, I can simply write 0. Okay, and this is your one. So this is nothing but your parametric form. You just find out the parametric form simply. Okay, you just check the calculation first. This is what your, जब भी parametric form आएगा तो आपको infinitely solution मिलेगा, एक या दो वहाँ पर आपको free variable मिलेंगे, and उन free variable की help से आप directly उसको solve कर सकते हैं. This is what your simple thing. Okay, ऐसे आपको क्या करना है, इसको solve करना है. Again आप calculation को एक बार check कर लीजिएगा. यहाँ से ये -4 है, यहाँ पे मुझे doubt है calculation को लेके, तो ये है -4 and ये है 2 into 7, तो -4 minus of 14, because of that we are, it is 14 and it is 18. Yeah, it is correct. Okay, so according to me it is correct. You just check the calculation, what procedure is the same. Okay, this is what the how to find out the parametric. आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब आता है आपके पास में illustrate the solution set of the system. So illustrate the solution set of system means what? You have to find out the solution of this system, or whether you can simply see that simply how we are finding the like solution set, or we can say what is the nature of this solution. So आपको क्या करना है, ax equals to b find करना है, and nature of solution find करना है, and in addition find the solution that I already explained to you, how to find out the solution using we can say Gauss elimination method. Okay, तो Gauss elimination method से कैसे solve करना है वो आपको पता है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन है which is very important. Apply the Gauss-Jordan method to find out the inverse of matrix. तो कुछ नहीं करना, जब भी आपके पास में इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है इन्वर्स फाइंड करने का, तो आपको ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स लिखना है, ये वाला. आई इज़ योर आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द सेम ऑर्डर, 0 1 2 1 0 3 4 -3 8. ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स में लिखना है आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. दिस इज योर आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स ऑफ 3 क्रॉस 3. Okay, then you just simply try to convert this matrix into identity form. ओके, अब इसको आइडेंटिटी फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो पहले आप इसको स्वैप कीजिए. देन फर्स्ट आई विल स्वैप R1 इंटरचेंज विद R2, देन इट विल बी 1 0 3 0 1 0, दिस विल बी 0 1 2. ओके, देन दिस विल बी 0, सॉरी, दिस विल बी 1 0 0. इट इज़ एज इट इज. ओके, नाउ इट इज़ 0 0 1. अब क्या करो, आप इसकी हेल्प से इसको ज़ीरो बनाओ. इसको ज़ीरो बनाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, 1 0. देन आई विल सिंपली कैन राइट इट हियर. आई विल अप्लाई R3 इंटरचेंज विद R. वेट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप क्या करो, ओके यस, इसको ज़ीरो बनाओ. देन R3 इंटरचेंज विद R3 -4 R1, वो क्या हो जाएगा, 1 0 3 0 1 0. दिस विल बी 0 1 2 1 0 0. दिस विल बी 4. इसकी हेल्प से इसको ज़ीरो बना रहे हैं ना, हो जाएगा -3 -4 इंटू 0, तो यहाँ पर -3 एज इट इज़ रहेगा. ओके, देन व्हाट टू डू, देन वी हैव okay, yes, then 8 -4 into 3, then 8 -12, it is minus of 4, so here it will be minus of 4. Next is your 0 -0. Okay, it will be 0. This is 0 -4, this is minus of 4, this is 1 -0, this is. Now using this, make this entry 0. So I will apply R3 interchange with R3 plus 3 R1, because it is already minus. So 1 0 3, it is your 0 1 0, then 0 0. Okay, using this I will make it 0. So 1 2 1 0 0 as it is. This will be 0. -3 plus 3 into 2, so this will be -4 plus 6, that is your 2. Okay, now I need wait, yeah, now using this I am just subtracting this, then it will be 3, or yeah, no wait, not R1, it is R2, sorry for that, R2. And this is your minus of 4 plus 3 into 0 minus 4 will be as it is, this is your 1 will be as it is. Okay, now next what to do, here we have this 2, I need 1 here, then I will just simply write R3 interchange R3 by 2, then it is your 1 0 3 0 1 2 0 0 1. I'm just dividing with 2, this is 1 0 0, this is 3 by 2, this is minus of 2, this is 1 by 2. Okay, and now using this you just make this 0 and this 0, so I will apply two row operation. First row operation is what, your R2 interchange with R2 minus we can say 3, R2 minus R2 minus 2 R3, then it will be 1 0 3 0 1 0. Okay, then this will be 0 0 1 3 by 2 minus 2 and 1 by 2, and this is your 0, this will be as it is, using this will be 0 1 minus, so this is 1 minus 3 by 2 into 2, it will be minus of 2, and this will be 0 minus 2 minus 2, this will be 4. Okay, and here again 0 and 1 by 2 will be minus of 1. Now using this make it 0, so R1 interchange with R1 minus 3R3, then it will be 1 0 0. Okay, then it will be 0 minus 9 by 2, so this will be minus 9 by 2, and this will be, we can say 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 plus 6, this will be 7, this will be minus 3 by 2. Okay, again as it is 0 1 0 0 0 1 minus 2 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 2 and 1 by 2. This matrix, now you just see here we have identity matrix, it is nothing but identity A inverse. So what is your A inverse? That is simply minus 9 by 2 7 minus 3 by 2 minus 2 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 2 and 1 by 2. This is your A inverse. You can simply see how you can easily find out this A inverse with some sort of calculation. Okay, now come to the next and very important question, that is your LU decomposition, which is very important. How to find out this LU decomposition? This question will be asked in your 10-mark question. Okay, so very important question. So you just simply write down A matrix. So what is your A matrix? That will be 1 1 1 4 3 minus 1 3 5 and 3. This is your A matrix. What is your B matrix? That is 1 6 and 4. So you just write down, convert this A matrix into your upper triangular matrix. Okay, so your U matrix will be, okay, convert this A matrix into upper triangular matrix, then I will apply R2 interchange with R2 minus 4R1 and R3 interchange with R3 minus 3R1, and I will apply okay, after applying this will be 1 1 1 0 0 minus 1 minus 5 2 and 0. Now I want this as 0, so I will just simply, after this I will apply R3 interchange with R3 minus or simply 2R1. Okay, I will apply 2, not R1, R2. Then this is your 1 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 5 0 0 minus of 10. This is your U matrix. Now the question arises, what is my L matrix? So the L matrix will be this. You just simply see your L matrix 1 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, now it will be x1, or simply you just write L1 L2 L3. Just see, what is your L1? I am using this row operation to make this entry 0. Okay, this row operation to make this entry 0. And what is this? Minus of 4. You just simply write down opposite sign of this. जिस नंबर का यूज़ मैं जिस नंबर को जीरो बनाने में कर रहा हूँ उसका मुझे क्या करना है? अपोजिट लिखना है. मेरा एल मैट्रिक्स जो होगा वो हो जाएगा 1 0 0. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? इट विल बी 1 0 एंड इट विल बी 1. ओके, सो हेयर इट विल बी L1. L1 क्या हो जाएगा? 4. -4 का अपोजिट 4. ये क्या है? -3. आई एम यूजिंग दिस नंबर टू मेक दिस एंट्री 0 एंड दिस इज व्हाट माई माइनस ऑफ 3. देन आई विल राइट अपोजिट साइन ऑफ दिस. I am using this or row operation to make this entry 0. So I will just simply write the opposite sign of this. This is my L, this is my U, and you know that whatever your A can be written in terms of multiplication of L into U. Okay, now what is my system? AX equals to B. And what is my A matrix? That is L into U. So I can just simply write LU into X is equals to B. And I can simply write, that is what my simple concept, ux into L is equal to B. And I will just consider this ux is equals to some sorry, this L ux equals to B, and I will just simply consider this as a y, and this is my B. So let ux is equals to some y. What is L? That is 1 0 0 4 1 0 3 minus 2 1, and this is my y1. Let's say y1 y2 y3 is equals to B. What is my B? That is 1 6 and 4. 1 6 and 4. Can I easily calculate? Simply forward substitution. You just use the forward substitution. Forward substitution. What is forward substitution? You just use simply, by comparison, I can find out the value of y1. So my y1 is equals to 1. Then 4y1 plus y2 is equals to 6. So it will be 4 plus y2 is equals to 6. It means y2 is equals to 2. This is my y2. This is my y1. And simply 3y1 plus, simply 3y1 minus 2y2 plus y1 is y3 is equals to 4. What is the value of y1? That is 1. That is 2 plus y3 is equals to 4. Then 3 minus 4, or simply y3 is equals to 4 minus 3 plus 4. That is your 8 minus 3. y3 is your 5. ऐसे आपने क्या कैलकुलेट किया? y. What is your y? y is 1 2 and 5. What you have consider here? ux is equals to y. What is your u? That you have already calculated. 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 5 and 10. This is what? 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 5 0 0 minus of 10. This is your x1 x2 x3. What is your y? 1 2 and 5. This is your y that you have already calculated. What is this? Upper triangular matrix. Use the back substitution. So minus 10 x3 is equals to 5. Then x3 is equals to 5 divided by minus 10. That is what your minus 1 by 2. So your x3 is equals to minus 1 by 2. Then minus 1 x2 minus 5 x3 is equals to 2. Then it is your minus x2 minus 5 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2. When you will solve this, you will get x2 is equal to 1 by 2. Then x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to 1. x1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1, and simply x1 is equals to 1. This is your complete solution. x3 is equals to this, your x2 is equals to. You have x1, x2 and x3. Okay, this is how you have to solve this. First of all, you just find out A. Okay, find out L using the multiplier of this, find out the L, and then you just simply find out this lower triangular matrix into y is equals to B. What is your y? You just find out the y and put your y is equals to upper triangular matrix, your original original x into y. This is what your LU decomposition. This is very, very important, which will be asked in your exam. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching MS Maths, and in this video I have covered all those topics related to the matrix and solution of system of linear equation. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.